AI is evolving faster than the rules designed to control it, and today that gap just got a whole lot bigger. Right now, governments all over the world are scrambling to push out new AI ethics guidelines. They're talking about transparency, accountability, and making sure AI is deployed safely. But here's the twist. The very companies building this technology are moving at lightning speed, way faster than any regulator can keep up. We now have AI that can decide, predict, and even create in ways that we humans don't fully understand. That's the brand new ethical challenge we're facing. We've created power that we can't always explain. So, who gets to decide the limits? Is it the engineers, the governments, or maybe one day the AI itself as it becomes more and more capable? Today's update makes one thing clear. The race to build AI has officially become the race to control it. This is Tech Outbreak, breaking down the future before it arrives. Thanks for watching.